Have you ever felt your pace quicken as your favorite song plays during a run? Or played classical music for your plants, hoping Beethoven would help them grow? There's plenty of anecdotal evidence about music's impact on our health, but what about scientific proof? Can sound truly heal us? Believe it or not, there's a whole field called psychoacoustics that studies the perception of sound and its physiological effects. Ancient Egyptians believed vowels were sacred healing sounds, and Tibetan monks used singing bowls to emit vibrations they thought were the universe manifesting. Hearing isn't just about sound waves, it's also about the brain. Sound waves cause your eardrum and middle ear bones to vibrate, translating into electric impulses interpreted as sounds. Binaural beats are another fascinating area. They refer to the frequency difference between waves entering the left and right ear, impacting different brain waves. Scientific research is promising. A review of 400 studies found music relieves stress, improves mood, and even provides physical pain relief. An hour-long sound meditation using Tibetan singing bowls can reduce tension, anger, fatigue, anxiety, and depression. Low-frequency sound stimulation has shown to improve sleep and decrease pain in fibromyalgia patients, with many reducing their pain medication. Ready to experience sound healing? Try sound meditation, experiment with binaural beats, or explore tuning fork therapy for pain relief. Embrace the good vibrations.